I am packed with beta-carotene, fiber, and important nutrients. I can help support your vision, digestion, and overall health. I am full of water, vitamins, and refreshing goodness.
Let me show you something really fun. These adorable fruit and vegetable characters you're seeing here were part of an idea I wanted to turn into a short animated concept, a series of cute cinematic characters that could each talk for a few seconds about their healthy benefits in a playful way. And honestly, when I first had this idea, I thought it would take me forever to get a consistent look across all of them. Like, usually when you try to create a set of characters with AI, you end up with completely different styles from shot to shot, and it just falls apart. But what made this workflow really interesting is that instead of jumping straight into random image generations, I started with invideo and its AI agents, especially Boards Agent. invideo is an AI-powered video creation platform designed to bring multiple parts of the creative process into one place. Instead of relying on separate tools for planning, visuals, style exploration, and video generation, it gives you a more connected workflow where you can move from idea to storyboard to actual creation much more smoothly. invideo's Boards agent helps you turn a simple creative brief into a structured visual storyboard. So instead of thinking shot by shot from scratch, you can very quickly map out the whole concept in a much more consistent way. Another important reason this feels so strong is that Boards Agent is not just one AI doing one simple task. Under the hood, multiple specialized agents are working together. A context agent absorbs references and style direction, a story agent breaks the idea into shots, a world-building agent helps construct the environments, a character agent maintains consistency across the sequence, and a composition agent handles framing and camera decisions. So it feels much more like a small production crew collaborating behind the scenes rather than a basic image generator making disconnected outputs. And personally, I think that's what makes the biggest difference here. It's not just generating images, it's actually thinking about the project as a whole. And right now, Boards Agent, Looks Agent, and Angles Agent are available to try for free for 2 weeks, which makes this a really good time to test the workflow yourself. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I used Boards Agent to create a 9-panel storyboard for these cute anthropomorphic fruit and vegetable characters, and how this kind of setup can help you build a much stronger foundation for animated AI video ideas. Now let's jump into invideo itself. Once you're inside the platform, the interface is very straightforward. In the center, you have the main prompt area where you can describe your idea or give instructions. On the left, you have the sidebar with different sections and tools, so it's easy to navigate through the platform and access other features when you need them. And overall, the layout feels clean and simple, so you can focus on the creative workflow without getting lost in too many distractions. Now, if we scroll down a little, this is where we can see the 3 agents I want to focus on here: Looks, Boards, and Angles. And out of these 3, Boards Agent is the main one I'll be using in this video, because that's the tool that helps turn a simple brief into a structured visual storyboard. Then Looks and Angles help support that workflow by letting you explore different visual treatments and different framings. So from here, I'm going to click on Boards. A small modal opens first where you can either continue an existing project or create a new one. In my case, I'll start a new project and call it Talking Objects. Once the project is created, we land inside the main Boards workspace. The layout is very clean. At the bottom, there's the main prompt field where we can describe the story we want to turn into a 9-panel storyboard. We also have a few quick controls here, including the aspect ratio, which is already set to 16:9, and the generate button on the right. Another nice thing here is that invideo gives you access to multiple model categories from the same workspace. If I open the model selector, I can browse across video, image, audio, and music models, and then switch back to agents as well. So again, this reinforces the idea that the workflow is connected inside one place rather than split across separate tools. You're not exporting, re-uploading, converting formats. Everything stays in one ecosystem. There's also a Trends option here, which opens a library of visual trend references. And this is useful because you can quickly explore different categories, camera controls, effects, motion ideas, and other creative directions before generating. So if you want extra inspiration or a stronger visual direction, this section can help guide the look and feel of the project before you move forward. I actually spent a few minutes browsing through this before I started my project, and it helped me get a clearer picture of the style I wanted. Now, before generating, let's quickly recap what we want Boards Agent to create here. The goal is a 9-panel storyboard in a premium cinematic 3D animated style built around adorable anthropomorphic fruit and vegetable characters. Each panel should introduce a different character in its own matching environment, but the whole storyboard still needs to feel like it belongs to the same charming animated universe. So we want strong consistency in character design, proportions, facial style, lighting, and overall storytelling tone, while still giving each fruit or vegetable its own personality and world. So I'm going to paste in that prompt, keep the storyboard format at 16:9, and then we can go ahead and generate it. Now the storyboard is ready, and this is exactly the kind of result I wanted to get from Boards Agent. We have a full set of cute anthropomorphic fruit and vegetable characters, each placed in a fitting environment, and the overall look feels very consistent across the board. The lighting, character proportions, facial style, and the general animated tone all feel like they belong to the same world, which is exactly what makes this step so useful. From here, we can start selecting the shots we want to work with. We can choose just a few favorite scenes or select all of them and then use Extract. Once we do that, invideo generates each shot as an individual image, which gives us much more flexibility for the next steps. We can download them, upscale them for better quality, or upload them as references for the next stage. In my case, I'm going to use one of these extracted shots as a reference and then go back into the agent's workflow and open Angles. With Angles, we can take the same scene or character and generate a different camera perspective from it. So for this example, I want to keep the same character identity and visual style, but generate a side profile angle instead. And this is really useful if you're planning actual animation or video content, because you'll often need the same character from multiple angles. Instead of trying to prompt that from scratch and hoping it stays consistent, Angles gives you a much more controlled way to get those variations while keeping the same look. So now let's move to the next agent, which is Looks. This time, instead of focusing on the camera angle, I want to focus more on the visual treatment itself. I'll choose one of the same characters again, use it as a reference, and generate a more cinematic set of image variations while still keeping the same identity, proportions, and animated style. And for the Looks prompt, use this. Now, looking at the Looks agent result, it also did a very nice job. The character stays clearly recognizable, but we get multiple stylistic variations with stronger cinematic treatment through lighting, color mood, contrast, and overall atmosphere. So this is a great way to keep the same subject while exploring different visual directions. Maybe you want a warmer sunset feel for one shot and a cooler nighttime mood for another. Looks lets you test those ideas without losing the character's identity. And just like before, we can select any version we like, or all of them, and extract them as individual images for the next stage. So overall, this is basically how these agents work together inside invideo. Boards helps you build the storyboard foundation, Angles lets you explore different camera perspectives, Looks helps you push the visual style further while keeping the same character identity. Now let's take it one step further and actually move into video creation. I'm going to go to the video section, choose Kling 3.0, and then use one of the eggplant shots as my starting frame. From there, I'll use a prompt where this eggplant character speaks in a cute and simple way about its healthy benefits.
I am rich in fiber and essential vitamins. I can help support your digestion and overall health.
Now, looking at the final video result, I think it turned out really well. The character keeps that same cute identity from the storyboard, the motion feels natural, and the fact that we were able to move from a storyboard concept into an actual animated talking shot makes the whole workflow feel very practical. So this is a really nice example of how you can start with a simple idea, shape it visually with the agents, and then push it further into actual video creation inside invideo. And that's really the big takeaway here. Boards Agent helps you build the storyboard foundation, Angles lets you explore different camera perspectives, Looks helps you refine the style, and then from there, you can move into video generation using the same creative workflow. So instead of treating every step like a disconnected process, you can build, refine, and expand your idea much more smoothly. If you want to try this workflow yourself, check the link in the description and test Boards Agent, Looks Agent, and Angles Agent for free for 2 weeks. And if you're more serious about video creation, invideo's paid plans also give you access to 80+ models and higher creative limits, so you can push these workflows much further once you're ready to scale up. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of AI project you want to create with this workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.